You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like.
All right, go ahead and take your math papers out, your math books. We are on page 95, which looks like this. Okay. Here, it says you want it just to match the temperatura with the climate, how warm it is and how cold it is. Okay, we have 3 numbers here. Okay, we have here where it's very cold, here where it's very hot, and here where it's in the middle. Okay, which one of these numbers look like they would go with one that was very cold? So the temperatura is low, it's bajo. Which one do you think that is? The little bear here. That's this one here, right? So draw a line from here to there. 21 degrees, because it's cold. This one here, where it's hot, the temperature is baja. Not baja, alto. It's alta. It's alto. Whatever it is, it's high. It's hot, it's calor. So which one of these do you think looks like it's going to be calor? It's this one here, right? You have to draw a line there. So this one must be the one that is entre, between them, right? Right. Go ahead and draw that line there. Okay, then we have our clock again. Amber, yesterday, we spent a whole lot of time on this yesterday, so I'm not going to spend that much time on it today. I'm trying to give you a shorter lesson today to make up for the really long one we had yesterday. We have our clocks. We said that's 8:30, it's 8 en punto. That's 8 o'clock, that's 8 en punto. That's 8:30, that's 8:30. Then we have these two here, the 3 and the 9. That's 8:15, 8:15. And that's 8:45, 8:45. It goes with whichever one you want. We'll call here, that's 2 o'clock. So that's dos. That's 2:15, 2:15. That's 2:30, 2:30, 2:30. And that's 2:45, 2:45. It looks like it could be 3:45 because it's as close to the 3, but it's not quite pointing to it. It's between the 2 and the 3. So we go with the 2. Okay? So your first clock on your paper looks like this. What time is it? Well, this is 4 o'clock. This is 4 en punto. What time is this? This is 4:15. 4:15. Your next clock looks like this. What time is that? It's not 5:45. It's 4:45. 4:45. It's between the 4 and the 5. 4:45. And your last clock looks like this. What time is it? It's 5:45. 5:45. Okay? Okay. Remember, we're going to be working on that a whole lot. Don't worry if you don't get it quite yet. It's okay. Next we have some summas. You know how to do these. They're nice and easy. Go ahead and do them. Okay. Next we have some numbers. We have numbers and 2 spaces around them. What are we going to do? We're going to count by 5s. 5 before and 5 after. Por 5 antes y por 5 después. What number becomes before 55 by 5s? Antes de 55 por 5. 50, 50. You have 50, 55, 60. 50, 55, 60. How about this one? What number becomes before 15 by 5s? Antes de 15 por 5. 10. 10, 15, 20. 10, 15, 20. Now see if you can do this one by yourself. Go ahead. Okay. Next is a question. Janet and Laura have a chocolate bar, un barra de chocolate. It's 6 inches long. Tiene 6 pulgadas. They want to break it in half, rompa en media, so each of them gets the same. How long should their pieces be? Or in other words, what is 1/2 of 6? Un media de 3. ¿Son qué? Es un media de 6. ¿Son qué? What is 1/2 of 6? If you don't remember, let's take a look at our fingers. We have 6 fingers. We want to put the same number of fingers on each hand. So we go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we're at 6. We're at 6. How many fingers are on one hand? 3. 3 fingers on one hand. We have 3 y 3 son 6. Un media de 6 son 3. Half of 6 is 3. Okay? Go put that down there. All right. Next here on the back, we have some sumas and restas. Now remember, we learned about carrying, taking your extra number that you get from here and putting it over here. So let's take a look at this one. 58 plus 32. We start here. 8 plus 2 is 10. So put a 0 here, a 1 up here. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 3 is 9. So your answer here is 90, 90. Okay? Remember that? If you don't, go back and watch Mondays, where we explain all this. Okay? Now go ahead and do all of these sumas and restas, and you'll notice that next to the respuestas, next to the answers, there are some words, some letters, some letras. Your job here is to take the letras and put them down here. Okay? So how do you know what goes where? Well, let's take a look at this one here. 12 minus 6. 12 menos 6. Son qué? 6. So this is 6, and 6 is W. W. Do you see any 6s here? Here's a 6. 6 right there. So you put the W, the W, on that 6. This one says 11 minus 7. 11 menos 7. What's that? 11 menos 7 son 4, right? It's 4. 4 is a K, a K. Do you see a 4 here, a 4 here? There it is right there. So you put a K there, put the K there. See how that works? Okay. Go ahead and do that, and when you're done with this, you can color this page any way you want. All right, and then you're done for math for today. You can go on to your English.